Stocks bounced in the US this morning, but they're struggling to keep those gains. As I speak to you right now, the NASDAQ is only up a little bit more than 0.1%. Same thing for the Russell, and the S&P is up about 0.25% with the Dow up almost 0.4%. But again, some weakness is starting to bleed in. In Germany yesterday, the elections resulted in sort of a balanced finish, which may lead to a delay in forming a coalition government. Potentially, some volatility could creep into their economy from that, so we'll keep an eye on that. Currently, the overall FX market's kind of quiet, with the dollar unchanged against the euro and the pound, mixed against the Canadian dollar and the Swiss, and stronger against the Japanese yen. This morning, German business expectations were higher than expected, but the current assessment and business climate were lower than expected, and Eurozone CPI came in as expected. Yields are a little bit higher in the US by between 4 and 5 basis points, depending on which part of the yield curve you're watching. New all-time high in gold this morning. Gold made a quick new all-time high by only 60 cents and then pulled back to continue the 3 days of sideways consolidation that we've been in. Silver is lower by 0.7%, copper 0.79%, crude oil is only slightly higher by less than 0.2%. Treasury auctions this week, we've got the beginning starting today with 69 billion in 2-year notes. Tomorrow we get 70 billion in 5-year notes, and then Wednesday we get 44 billion in 7-year notes. It'll be important to watch how those auctions go. Looking ahead, earnings after the closing bell, 43 companies with over $1 billion in market cap are reporting, including Diamondback Energy, Coterra Energy, Trip.com, Public Storage, and Zoom. Tomorrow, only 46 companies reporting with $1 billion or more in market cap. The big one being Home Depot. We also get Keurig and Middleby Corp, which is an industrial. Data tonight, nothing interesting to speak of. Tomorrow, German GDP. We get a speech by German economist Isabel Schnabel, who's a member of the ECB Executive Board. Schiller home prices and consumer confidence. That's the Conference Board's consumer confidence in the U.S. And also a speech from Fed Vice Chair for Supervision, Michael Barr.